Hello all, I will show you my farm. There are many animals in my farm. Are you ready, friends? Let's start. The farm name is Royal Pet Farm. This is my dog. His name is Lucky. He's using kennel. There are 2 ox and then 2 cows. They are eating grass. They live in shed. There are 2 donkeys and 1 horse. It lives in stable. There are 2 sheep and then 2 goats. It lives in pen. This is biogas. Biogas is used for cooking food. There is one beautiful pond. All animals drink water from pond. Did you like it, friends? For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.